Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Welcome to my garage. Today, I'm going to be showing you an XR100 that I bought, some parts that I got for it, and I'm going to be doing a little teardown. So let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and get out all the parts that I have for this thing, and then we'll get into taking it apart. And being a 2002, being a discontinued model motorcycle, it's not easy to get parts for it. You're gonna have to source from a handful, if not more, different places, and I definitely did on this one. Let me show you these parts that I got for it. Rim locks, rim liners, fork seals, chain guide, brake cables, throttle cable, clutch cable, fast mini spoilers, BBR, fork springs, BBR rev box, spark plug cover, BBR heavy duty clutch springs, brake shoes, front and rear, clutch plate. You know this thing's gonna be fried. BBR chain guide. That's gonna be a game changer. This thing is beefy. Pro Circuit fart can. Looked long and hard for this thing. These do not exist anywhere. Got that on eBay. Was super lucky. Thing is fresh. BBR 120 big bore kit. Look at that. Oh, maybe later. BBR frame cradle. Man, this thing is gonna hold this entire bike together. Show this. There's no frame under here. The motor, the frame is all bolted together. It doesn't connect in the back. So what this cradle is gonna do is connect all that and make it so that when my big adult ass is on there, it's not gonna snap in half when I jump a fucking little bitty jump. So anyway, frame cradle. Sprockets. Sprockets. Gold chain. All my bitches have gold chains. Look at that. I've never seen an XR100 with a gold chain. Now this is where it gets expensive over here in the plastic. OEM number plate. So this is the only company that makes brand new plastic for an XR100. Somehow, I don't know how there's so many plastic companies and nobody has anything in stock, but had to get this shit, and it's not cheap at all, but it's gonna look so much better than this. It's gonna look so fresh. I can't wait to see what that looks on there. All red. I got a new tank. Okay. This tank is looking a little rough. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bring that back. I went ahead and got a new one. We'll see if I use it or not. Got this Tusk gas cap. Levers and perches. Foot pegs. These black beefy foot pegs. These things go right through your foot. That's a thumb width. That's sad. That'll blow my foot right out. Something with some girth. Uni filters. Michelin. Heavy duty tubes. And last but not least, Dunlop Geomax MX33. Soft front and rear MX33 for the 100. She's gonna be gripping. She's gonna be ripping. Stay tuned and find out. Now that we've got her naked, let's see what's under the hood. It's dirty, but nothing that you wouldn't expect from a barn find. I mean, this thing's actually in really good condition. It was well taken care of for being found in a barn, literally. I mean, look at how well this front wheel spins. That's almost unheard of right there. See a little bit of oil down there, nothing crazy though. At least we know there's oil in it. That front wheel is still spinning. Unreal. I'll live my life by something. If it's got Michelin's on it, buy it. It's dirty, it's old. It's been used. It was this kid's first motorcycle. He rode the crap out of it. But it's great, it's what they're made for, man. His dad put Amsoil in it. The thing will run forever. I got it down to a workable point. From this point, I'm gonna want to wash it because it is absolutely filthy everywhere. I don't want to take it apart much further because then I'll start having open spaces. Like if I take the exhaust off, so it'll be open, etc. So I'm gonna leave all this stuff on, get it nice and clean, and then we'll continue the teardown process. All right, it's been a couple days, but snow finally melted outside and I was able to get a chance to wash the 100, so I took it to the car wash, gave it a quick rinse, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to start today by taking off the wheels, the forks, the handlebars, the exhaust. I'm just going to take it all down as far as I can. Okay, I broke my tripod trying to move the camera up and down, so I haven't recorded really at all in the last couple hours or so, I've been taking this thing apart. So you miss a little bit of the teardown, but you'll live. I've now taken the frame off the motor and everything is apart now. Check this beast out. Boom! Oh shit. And see how there's a huge gap in the frame right there? The motor fits in there. I lifted the frame off the motor and the motor's been chilling in the same exact spot the whole time. So, what I think I'm gonna do is get the paint taken off this to the bare metal and then clear coat it. How sick would that be? Let me know. I'll get this thing nice and cleaned up. It'll all come out really good. I'm pumped. Fuck yeah. Well, that'll do it for episode 1 of this XR100 bike build. The teardown, the parts, and I'll be doing a lot of cleaning, and then it'll start to go back together slowly but surely. I can't wait to have this thing done, man. I'm super excited for it. It's gonna be awesome. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.